The baby bird was found by a young woman on the side of the road. The little bird looked quite unusual. If you know what kind of bird it is, let us know in the comments.
There goes my heart beating, 'cause you are the reason
Я птичья.
I'm losing my sleep. Please come back now. There goes my mind racing, and you are the reason that I'm still breathing. I'm hopeless now. I'd climb every mountain and swim every ocean just to be